Alright, you guys, today is actually the day before I go to ride in Charlotte, and we're about to head over to my friend's house just to get the bikes washed up really quick before tomorrow. So I'll catch you when I'm there.
Ooh. You know me, I hear it, you seeing. Ooh, keep all this on here, you did. You feel
Nothing on that beat, nope.
This that brick life project, brick life. Run off on your first plug for your best friend wife. Ain't shit right. You know that we live and drive. This that brick life project, brick life. Run off on your first plug for your best friend wife. Ain't shit right. You know that we live and drive. This that brick life project, brick life. Run off on your first plug for your best friend wife. Ain't shit right.
Alright guys, we're on the way back from dialing in the bike. It's actually kind of nice out right now.
You know that we live in. Some of niggas fuck twins, bareback and skins. My little homie in the pen, he got more than a 10. He been fucking on the enemies and his friends. Told his cousin where his stash, said she needed a flip.
Alright guys, we just got to Charlotte. We just unloaded the bikes and we're doing like a pre-ride. So
I don't care if you call me a stalker. 3 a.m. I'm outside, I'm walking. Out here striving, I'm just looking for some water. Nova gang, we creeping, yeah we lurking. I'ma ride, I'ma die for my brothers. Hit the gas, then speed off, I'm racing. Ran into a pole, pulled a Paul Walker. I don't care if I'm evil, I'm a scumbag. Walk up in the house like I owned it, cause I'm up next. If you text me, don't expect me to reply back. I don't wanna talk, I'm rather awkward and I'm off track. Shoot a flare in the sky to show some victory. I'ma blow up with all my brothers right next to me. Hit the spot and make it go down in history. Took a pill, I'm shaking, I'm nervous, I'm jittery.
I just made my money, made it faster. I don't got no pity for you bastards. I was so busy, took a pic, you better ask her. Drama over money, little boy, it do not matter. Back then, all I was laughter. 2020, baby, pockets getting fatter. I'm in the world, but be ready for a rapture. Wait until I'm finished, boy, you can have it after. This all at the house with the gold ring. I am not no winner, baby, all I do is rule. Got ways around my side, you up the stick and click on you. I was travel different planets, I was Saturn, it's my dude.
bro, these, go ahead.
I got that, yeah.
Oh, let's go. These streets are so good for wheelies. We had a green light. We were waiting on you, bro. You were
Oh,
far.
we're here at Freedom already, so I don't know what you guys want to do.
Oh yeah, we can chill out. Like we don't have to wait.
There's a bunch of stuff that way. Everything up
Bro, that place was so good for
We're going
clips.
left, yeah?
to. We're going right.
Right?
Go
You
straight
mean
on right.
that's left?
Left. Freedom? Bro, we're literally
Right at the heart.
No, it's red.
What the fuck? Just wait for the green.
Stupid.
Bro, he's gonna get hit, bro. Freaking idiot. It's CMPD. Let's go to the cop car. Guys, are you getting this? Are you getting this on the GoPro? CMPD right there. He already peeped us. He doesn't give a shit. We're about to head to the meetup spot. We just finished chilling out here. We've been here like an hour, bro, because we got here early. Yeah, we've been chilling here for a good minute. I mean, that's fine. All right, let's try it.
Wow.
We're leaving right now.
Oh no, they're not real.
The rims?
Yeah.
Real XLs have 2 decals.
Oh, trip.
Yeah, there we go. Finally, getting something started. There we go. Oh, nuclear.
I don't want to ride miles. So.
Damn. Dude.
That thing's clean.
Yeah, that's the cleanest 79 in the world.
Dom, kill yourself.
Wait, I saw that on Marketplace. I swear. Oh, wait, no, there's one with Chrome Sumo.
His is like the most prosperous.
Claptist.
It's something you'd say.
Yeah. I won. Let's go, boys.
We're going. Oh shit!
Bro, you have dirt tires. How are you slipping?
Part of the crowd, man. You're leaving.
Holy bikes, boys.
Making a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Are you accurate?
Yeah.
How many subscribers you got?
Mine, I just started, but like Kai back there, his strap broke, so I'm filming it for him. He has like 200. Get off your bike. This is a kid that stole Nolan's Pulse Moto keychain. That's the kid that stole Nolan's Pulse Moto keychain. Yo, we in the rideout. Yo, is it recording?
No. It's off.
It's off?
We're not off.
It's recording. Yeah.
Make sure you can see first.
Okay.
Yes, sir. If you see that pop up, you might want to start running. Look at that. Look at that.
Let's go. That's riding in CLT. Huge group right here. Let's go, we're in Charlotte, baby!
He don't even gangbang, thought she needed a grip. She just needed some dick. He had visited kids while he missing all his kids. She's the bitches and dip. Politicking in the ghetto while it's his baby C. She gon' give me respect, cause she know a nigga gangsta. I shoot at her dead. Robbing block where we at.
This close, this close.
Miami next?
We're going to Southpark.
We're going to Miami.
So hot.
Let's go, guy. This is what's up. This is why I want to wait. Look. Bro, I don't like filming with your camera, bro.
You don't like filming?
No, because I feel like I'm required to talk.
No, just talk like normal.
I am.
Just at least get good riding footage, because I don't usually do much comedy.
I know, I watch your videos and it's not really. But it's okay, I have footage too for me.
You can't buy your respect, just got a back end and I bought me a tag. It's a big life project, big life, run off on your first blood, fuck your best friend wife. Ain't shit right, you know that we live a drive. This a big life project, big life, run off on your first blood, fuck your best friend wife. Ain't shit right, you know that we live a drive. This that brick life project, brick life. Run off on your first blood for your best friend wife. Ain't shit right. You know that we living. This lottie in the ghetto that my partner was fucking. Same little thotty that my partner was ducking. See one night she was bugging, I'm talking nucking and bugging. But lil' mama knows she wrong, cause she knows she been fucking. And this bitch that I'm loving, and I want her for saving. Fucking niggas we wanted. Some fuck the PJ, some fucking the Hummers. Some saying fuck the project, let's go get this money. Ayy. I do this shit for the money, you know I keep it 100. Bitch, we too high to be dummies, we overthinking the subject. I disrespect you and Bali, who got the bitch, who bustin', who got the glizzy I wanted. Ain't a nigga I don't trust it, every time I do it so.
Yo, where are we just here?
No. Oh yeah, we were. Yeah, we were.
We did not have to work.
Oh, we're going. Kai, we're going straight to Uptown. Yeah,
Wait, what's your number now?
980.
Nice, nice. Straight to the city, bro.
I never see cops here. I don't know why they're out here.
Let's take a right. Do it.
Let's do it, bro. Right in Uptown. We got a nice ride right here. Let's go. This is so nice. Yo, it's really fast them. We both have YouTube channels, but I'm filming for him. We're just gonna use the same clips because his mount's like, what do you mean, bro? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, oh, no, boy? Hey, baby! Hang on me, boy!
Hey, fucking up an demons. Up a check, up a name it. Stick bitch, bring that shit over, let me cream it. Watch this GD rapid fire, bully get the breathing. Bitch gon' stop it down, after that, I'm a bleeder. If the bitch ain't talking about no paper, I'ma leave her. You ain't got no money, you can't see me like I'm seeing her.
Hey, turn around. This kid, this is the spot right here. Yes, sir. Filming clips and stuff. Alright, we made it. Alright, we made it to this meetup spot right here. All these bikes. Alright, so we just finished filming. I'll show the clip right here. Alright, now we're about to leave. We got the sheriff.
It's like 30 of y'all. Wait, if they get me, I'm getting like 10 more searches an hour.
Yes, sir.
Wait, what happened?
He said don't wheelie in the middle of the street, blood.
Why does he keep saying AI though? You know they can't take us.
Yeah,
They can't even do
They don't have enough trucks, bro. No, I'm just kidding.
No, but
No, you gotta be chill, bro.
we just run.
Oh my goodness, CMPD, bro.
I thought you said they didn't care.
They
No,
don't.
actually, Dan said they hated wheelies. Car number. Yeah.
Get your heli, get your drones. Come on, bro.
It keeps keeping me in those ones.
Wait.
Just so you know too, you can't just record on here neither.
Cause it's private property.
Damn right. Recording us and stuff, you can't do that.
All right, I understand.
For future reference, you cannot do that because they can't ban you from shit like that.
Ban you, like from the store?
From the store.
From this store only. Wait, I want to go talk to the cop.
Technically, it's all of them, but realistically,
All right.
it's only one.
Yo, guys, he's gonna impound all of us if we wheelie. Hey, no wheelies! Bro,
They're not gonna take anybody's bike. As long as we run, bro, it's chill. It's just not gonna happen.
There's a no chase policy.
I know. All right, we're back in action, boys.
Tiptoe no ballerina. Lucky got me loaded off the boat, catching ZZs. I just can't whip, nah, nigga coming VVs. If the bitch choosy, you know, pain gon' keep it peasy. Run into this check and caught a sweat, this shit easy. Keep breaking on this hoe, they say a nigga greedy. Yo, baby daddy really wanna be me. Beating up this road, you just
Yeah. Here, I got you, Kai.
I'll tell you your future. Don't try ain't like you're a loser. As a young kid, I ride on a scooter. I'm the source on the man, I'm the router. Now we got 4 more, couldn't drop sooner. Show me your friends, I'll tell you your future.
I see the supermoto gonna do wheelie. Oh! Alright. We just left the wheelie road. Now we're gonna go ahead to one of my friend's house. And then after that, we'll charge up and she'll ride from there. I don't know if even in his car. We're charging all the bikes here and about to charge and then head back to the apartment. I filmed it, I just recorded it. Alright, we just got back out on the road. About to go to a sunset ride, about to go to this airport lookout. No, we're right next to the highway! We're almost at the airport. Yes, sir! Ripping that, boy! He left. I don't think he could do anything because he was on patrol. Yeah. That's what I think.
What? He couldn't do anything because he was on
Yeah, because no. I said no trespassing, bro. What the freak?
Yeah, just say no trespassing.
Okay. We won't stay here long.
Отражение целого зала. Так что я обнял, потом поцеловал. Меня там ждут дела, они добавят нал. Они добавят боли в мои кости по утрам.
Yeah, I got that, boy. Oh, it's raining. Bro, it's raining, Kai. All right.
Oh, Kid, what are you doing?
And we're back into the apartment. It's okay. Let's get it.